on me. I promise that.
What's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but as you can see, I've been busy. So I finally got a little free time, you know, so I got some special for this video. So the reason why I haven't been posting videos lately is because I've had a lot of family issues going on. You know, I lost my grandmother, and then 6 months later, my wife lost her grandmother. So I've lost two grandmothers in less than 6 months apart from each other. So that's been taking a toll on, you know, me and my wife. Also, I've been going through a lot of medical stuff in the military, so that's another topic for another day. But today, I remember, if you guys have been following the channel, I told you in one of my last videos, my next mod for the Berserker will be my hood, the Iroc Zr1 Hood. And I finally got it. It's here. They just called me and told me that it's ready to pick up, well, it's ready for them to install it. So they already painted it, and we're finna go and get it installed. So without further ado, I'll see you in a few.
In the city. Shout out to the groupies, man, shout out to my ex. Probably saying fuck me, so shout out to the sex. Don't get mad, cause I'm on to the next. Super duper selves, like I got an S on my chest. Holla at your homie, man, holla at your dog. If you're looking for the comp, you should holla at the morgue. I'm killing all these niggas, leave a knife in the drawer. When I grab a mic, I strike like bullets in the war. Call me Machiavelli, I be thugging on them hoes. Red bottom heel, she got blood on her toes. They like, damn, where you from, what's your name? I'm the one they reppin', got it swinging on the chain. 9-1 Otro, we don't do popo. Come to my town, you can fuck with me and Colo. Been to blow up, been laying on the floor though. Bring your bitch to the show, she might get a photo. Money, moolah, guacamole, cheese in between the pockets of my jeans, and I'ma get it by any means. Always on the scene at a big screen. Haters cut their hands off and they still feel me.
So what's going on, guys? So I made it to the Precision Collision Center. So I went in there and I asked them if it's okay if I can record them installing the hood. They said no, so hey, you gotta live with it. I respect that. So once I get back to the house, I'll finish this video up, show you what the hood looks like. I'll show you like a few pictures of it before they installed it, a few pictures of them doing the fitment, and then of course I'll show you the final product, what it looks like. I'll show you the problems that they had, like the gaps. This hood has like some gaps, so I'll show you all that good stuff once they finish and we get back to the house, because it's already 4 o'clock and they close at 5. I don't want to keep them here any longer than they have to be, so I'll see you guys later. All right, so what's up, guys? At this current moment, they're taking the Berserker back so they can install the hood. This installation should take around an hour to an hour and 30 minutes. So see you soon. So we just got the Berserker back. This is how it looks from the inside of the vehicle. Nice. Hey, I'll finish the video once we get home. Not trying to get pulled over or anything. I'll see y'all soon. All right, and what's going on, folks? So we're back at the house. So like I said, I'll finish the video once I got home. So without further ado, here we go. Let's get it. Moment we've all been waiting for. There it is. The Iroc Zr1 Hood. The Berserker has come to life. Fucking sick. Looks amazing, doesn't it? So some of the things I want to talk about with the hood is, I mean, right here, it has gaps. Like, you can see it if you get real close, but I mean, if you're standing far off, you know, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, that's just the way that the hood is, the way that they made it from the manufacturer. So that's just some things you got to deal with. But the collision center did an awesome job with the paint and getting it all to line up. So I'm satisfied with it. Another thing to take into consideration about this hood is when it rains. So as you can see, you see the vents right here. Like you can see, that's the fuse box in there. So when it rains, the water will just go straight in there. Also on this side, which of course this is where you have your air intake. If you don't have it closed off, when it rains, the water can get in there as well and get into the air intake. But all in all, it looks great. I'm gonna do a quick walk around. There's the front again. Good walk around. Oh, that's a beautiful angle right there. Jeez. That's my wife's car. Don't mind that car over there. Beautiful, beautiful. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Man, the Berserker is coming to life just as I planned. So the very next mod I'm going to do is take the spoiler off and then put the new spoiler that I got in there sitting on that couch over there. I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to put the wicker bill on top of that. So what that spoiler is, that's the ZR1 factory spoiler, and I'm going to hit my guy up at 3DE Engineering to get another wicker bill like this to fit on that spoiler, and it's going to make the Berserker stand out even more, because that spoiler, as you can see, this spoiler stops right where the body line of the car is. That spoiler is going to stick out a little more because, you know, it's a ZR1 factory spoiler. And then when you put the wicker on that, it's going to come up a little higher, and it's going to be a little wider. So this thing is going to be amazing. And then after that, I'm going to get new tires, 305s in the back, 275s in the front. Right now I have 255s in the front and 275 40s in the back, which I got to get rid of that and get the 305s. But yeah, let's take another walk back around for this hood. This thing is unbelievable. Man, that thing is hot. So with that being said, we're gonna end the video. All right, guys, so with that being said, that's the end of the video. If you like the content that I put out, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a follow, leave me comments down below. I'll have links in the description to where I ordered the hood, where I got it painted at, all of that good stuff. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.